Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, we just got into the ADA trade yesterday. We got triggered in. We're up 1.18%. Yesterday, we all got triggered into the Ethereum trade. We're currently up 1.07. What are we up in here? 1.34% on Ethereum. So guys, I am picked up in these trades. If you are following us on this channel, you guys can see that our orders did get filled in here. You guys can see this right here. I got picked up for Ethereum as well as ADA. Guys, we are having so much fun on this channel. If you guys don't know what we do, we live trade on every single one of these videos. I basically end up making my calls. Everything you guys need is over at the website at tradeconfident.io. I'll go over that in this video. But something special about this channel that I just feel really blessed that we've been able to do in here is we've been able to win a lot of trades. We are currently 52 for 52 wins on this channel. That's right. Like we have actually not lost a single trade on this channel yet. And I'll prove it to you guys. We have extremely good risk management. We're not very risky. I'm going to be honest with you guys. We're not a risky channel, but we have people in here making ridiculous money with our system in here. And I wanted to show this to you guys because it was just such a fun weekend. It was easily our most profitable weekend ever on YouTube. And with this channel, with our strategy over the weekend. We won 5 trades over the weekend. Some of these in here were crazy. This was obviously a smaller one for this one for Link. I just want to make sure everyone got out so you can get in. So small 2.06% profit. Other trades in here, we ended up doing 16.85% on Matic, 16.85. Also in here, 9.22%, and this was on VET. We ended up coming over here and doing 16.16% on Sol, 12.47% on BTC. Guys, this is so crazy. So anyways, if you guys want to come over here and trade with me, I'll show that to you guys real quick. All you need to do is come over to tradeconfident.io. It's in the description and all that. It's $49 a month. If you guys want to see people, what they've done literally in the last week alone, this guy ended up taking his account from $33,000 to $40K. $7,000 there, about $7,000 here. This guy made $1,000 while he slept. This one made $250 off 300. This guy ended up making $2,000 in 2 days. Guys, this is crazy what people are doing in here. It just keeps going down. This guy won 5 trades in a row. He was super happy about that. $2,000 he made in the morning. This guy made $6,000 off Solana last week, $10,000 off ADA. I had a guy make $60,000 in here as well. This guy made $10,000 this week in $40,000. He is up using the system that we're using, guys. Obviously, they're using higher amounts of money, but you guys can get in here. Like, this is not that much money, guys. And this guy did $300 and he took it to $250. So I am just so excited that we as a family here can trade this well. And let's just start going over this, okay, guys? So I want you guys to make sure you are looking to set up your long trades, okay? It's very important that you guys get your subscription over here. Come over to live trades, scroll down and click on Cardano today. We're obviously going over the ADA trade. So this is what we're pointing out today. Get your buy limit set up. I'm going to go over this real quick and we're going to go over what I'm looking at as far as, move this down here, guys, for ADA. I'm going to show you guys what we're looking at for ADA today. So what you guys are going to do to get into our trades, if you want to win the trades that we're winning over here and take the exact same ones, I'm literally taking these in my Coinbase account right here, okay? What you guys need to do is come over here and set up 4 buy limits on any of the coins that you guys want to trade. Anything you see over here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, whatever. I'm tracking all of these. I will update you guys on all of them in this account right here. You guys can see that Sol is updated. There's VET right there. There's Matic here. There's Bitcoin over there. There's ADA at the bottom. Okay, come in here, pick any one and set up your trade. If you have $1,000, you're going to put 25% at each buy limit. So $250 is going to go at each yellow line below the current white line. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these metrics are going to update. Doesn't matter when you look at them throughout the day, that's just when they update for new buy limits. Set your buy limits up in here, guys. Once you get triggered in, set your sell limit at the first yellow line. That's all you're doing. Follow me on the Telegram channel by coming down here, click Telegram. Down here, it's only for paid subscribers. Click the link and you guys will automatically be joined in the Telegram group. Once you do that, make sure you guys are coming over here and you at minimum get the price versus the well money flow indicator and the trend exhaustion. But the bundle pack is the best deal so you guys can follow me with the analysis and exit with me based off these indicators. Let's go and talk about these for a second so we can look to see what's happening here. All right, I'm going to move this out of the way here for a second. Hopefully we'll get 33% on this trade. So what I want you guys to be paying close attention to right now before we go over the metrics is this. Watch the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. When this pushes to bottom sections down here, for the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section, let me make this clear. This is the bottom red section. This is the top red section, okay? When we push into the bottom section here, sorry guys, let me get this out of the way here. Let me go like this and let me turn off these notifications. Boom, there we go. So what I want you guys to see is this. Let me turn this off on my phone so we're not bothered by this while we're doing some videos here. Okay. When we start pushing down into the bottom red section here and the price versus the well money flow gets down here, this is historically when we're going to see prices move back up. Okay, we're able to call this. I called this out on the Telegram. This is probably going to be a bear trap to the downside and we started moving back up. Exactly what we were expecting because this indicator called this move at the bottom, expecting to move back up. Okay. Over the weekend, we got into the top red section as well as the well money flow got up here and we started to head back down. These indicators are insanely accurate at calling tops and bottoms. Watch this. I want to explain to you guys how to predict very fast moves back down in the market. So watch this with these indicators. Top red section, well money flows at the top, which is in the green, the price structure is in the pink, okay? What we saw here is we pushed the top sections and then we saw, yes, a very fast move back down. But if you guys ever see money flowing out of the market in the green line, and you guys see that price action heads up, you cannot be FOMOing into this section here, guys. This is where you're going to get killed in the market and you're going to get you're basically going to just be holding your long trade for a while and you're not going to be able to make good entries. We ended up buying down at lower prices and we exited and we won 5 trades on this already, on this single move right here. And we're back in here on discount, okay? We are always buying on discount and we're currently in the profit this morning. Watch what happened over here at these other sections. When we got down here to the lower sections and we saw money flowing back into the market, watch this, guys. You have a low and another lower low. This moved down. What happened right here? Money flowed into the market. This told us that we cannot keep going down. Like, if you understand this, guys, watch this. These indicators are what's called leading indicators. They are going to predict the market before the market moves. Yes, you can use these on cryptos. You can use them on stocks. You can use them on Forex. You can use it on oil, anything. The spider, the S&P, the SPY, like whatever you guys want. This will work on everything. It literally syncs up to the exchange and the actual ticker you guys are using on Coinbase and the actual exchange itself. So when money's flowing into the market, guys, and price structure's moving down, this is when you're going to see moves back up. Yes, we were able to call the crash before it happened, and that's why I was very bearish on here, because we saw the trend exhaustion move to the top section, as well as well money flow is up here, and then we saw the crash back down. We called that crash there. We also end up calling this over here. I don't mean to sound arrogant. I'm showing this to you so you can be confident. The channel is called Trade Confident. I believe that's what you guys are going to be able to do once you have these. Look at the bottom section here. Look at this bottom section, perfectly calling the bottom before I move back up. I can show this to you guys over and over how this happened right here, and it called the move up there. We saw this call the move up right here as well when we got to the bottom red section. Even over here, when we were at the top section, this called the move drop down there as well. Okay. If that's not enough proof, guys, get them on your charts and watch for yourself. What I'm watching for right now is to see if the market wants to do a low, a high, a higher low, and push to another higher high. That is something we could be seeing. So let's go over the metrics here, and I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm looking at for ADA. Again, guys, make sure you are getting the bundle pack here is the best deal, and these indicators are insanely accurate. Okay, we have some guys just trading with the trend exhaustion. They're doing thousands of dollars a week. I'm going to get some... I probably shouldn't say this. I have people trading binary options with our indicators in here, and I have some people doing $2,000 to $4,000, within a week. Crazy, and they're trading with $4,000. Okay, I say that to say this, guys. These indicators will work on anything. They are so incredibly accurate. I coded indicators for TradingView.com for a living 2 years ago. I've been featured on the front page of TradingView 4 times this year alone on the front page. I say this to give you guys confidence, not to be arrogant at all, okay? Let's please now go over the ADA metrics, okay? This will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning. So we literally have about 45 minutes. Watch this, guys. When the institutions and wells are buying, what's usually happening is the emotions of the market are anxious and fearful. Did you guys catch that? And let me say it the other way now. When the market is anxious and fearful, institutions and wells are going to look to buy. Why? It has to do with how money is flowing into the market. Do you guys understand that wells and institutions with billions of dollars, they cannot enter their money into the market with $1 million orders, what they call OTC, over-the-counter orders, where literally, this is how it works, guys. Because I've coached hedge funds before. If you contact Coinbase and you do an OTC order, you will actually get basically what's called a filled price. Basically, you'll make a deal with the exchange and say, hey, I want to push through $10 million right now. And they'll give you basically, sometimes you call it like a strike price. Well, they will give all of your order at one price. Well, in order to do that, guys, you need to have people selling in order for that money to flow back in, if they're using that service or they're not. So you must have the market selling in order for people to buy. That's why this is called an exchange. exchange, okay? So this is why I've shown you guys, when people are anxious and they're fearful in the market here, what's happening, if you follow me straight down here, is that wells and institutions are buying this like crazy. Like, look at this wick down here, guys, for long trades. What happened is when this drop happened on the daily time frame right here, we ended up buying down here as well, and we got triggered in at $2.02. That's the last ADA trade we ended up taking here, and we ended up winning. It was crazy, guys. Oh, sorry, we won the last one, and then there was a second one the prior. But we ended up buying in here. What did we do? We did not FOMO in with everybody else who was selling, because they were like, literally, the fear of missing out can also be going down, because you want to sell and you want to like basically recoup your losses and buy lower. And you don't want the fear of like, oh my gosh, like it could keep going lower, so I better sell so I can buy in lower to make up my position faster. Like, FOMO goes both ways, guys. Okay, follow me down here. Watch this. Cardano long and short trades on-chain metrics, okay? We are looking at here that we actually are seeing blockchain orders on Bitfinex increasing here for long trades, but short trades are not increasing. This is a bullish sign, guys, for ADA. Now, unless this comes out here and we start seeing this week that the short trades increase, I will absolutely argue that we could be seeing a move back down, but I don't see that at all. Like, I'm not seeing that, and obviously you guys can watch this with me. Watch this as this updates every single week here. Like, with your subscription, you guys can watch this literally every single morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of our metrics, all of our trades update, okay? Every single morning. So watch that. What I want to show you guys, and I want to just take a breather here, is that I do believe that we could see a crypto pump before the end of the year. My call that I did was 65,000. If you guys remember that video, my call was 65,000 before the end of the year. And look what's happening here already. I called this out in the last video, guys. We could be seeing this move up even further. So everybody in the Bitcoin trade, you're now up 17%. Ethereum, guys, we are now up currently even more right now. You guys are up about 2.08. And for ADA, we're probably moving up just a little bit more here too. So I do believe there is a case to be had here where we could see cryptocurrency move up before the end of the year. A lot of the big guys want to show black on their books. They want to take profit before the end, so they might be trying to pump this up here. It's happened before. It can happen again. Let's finish up here because I want to go back to the live chart. Looking at this, guys, long versus short trade risk. If you're looking down here, you can see that short trades are looking to be acquired by the wells and institutions. This is not this is a smart thing. When you guys start seeing the price move up here, this can be where we could start seeing moves back down. I'm not saying this is going to keep flying up here for ADA, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. What I'm saying is we need to use good risk management in case it goes either way. That's what I really want you guys to take advantage of this in today's video, is how we're able to win these trades. Now, guys, all your indicators, all your metrics, even Glassnode, CryptoQuant, all of those, they're going to flat out just be wrong 20 to 25% of the time. You cannot be putting, like, please don't put that much faith into me and the system. Like, I don't mind knocking the system there. We're going to be right about 75 to 80% of the time. How are we winning all these trades in here? It's because we have crazy risk management, and we have these indicators that are literally calling the tops and the bottoms, where I'm able to help us scale out. So we literally take profits before the market drops. The combination of indicators, risk management, and the metrics, guys, are how we're not losing any trades over here. Okay, so I want you guys to be clear about that, because as this looks in here that we're looking to possibly see short trade sentiment come into the market, I'll tell you guys, this isn't that strong. This is strong down here. Like, this is a metric value down here of negative 800. Okay, we're sitting here like today like 200. So you need to actually look at the representation of how low we are here. Like, this is still some indecision that I'm seeing in the market right here. Now, when you get a wick like this and it's like, oh my gosh, that's like, this is ridiculous. Like, guys, the price is gonna go up. Okay. Like, when you guys see that and you guys see this huge move out here, like, this thing is not going to keep going up. It's going to see a higher low formation when you have this much sentiment in the market pushing it back down. So what I want you guys to watch today is see this week of what happens here in the market. But my call here for you guys is to look to get into these long trades and set your trades up. Come follow me so you guys can get into these. Real quick, support resistance prices, guys. If we head up, I'm looking for 250, psychological quarters theory level. Let's look at this real quick on the chart. 250 puts us right up here. I do believe we could see Cardano hit 250 by the end of the week, and that would give us about a 12 to 13% profit. That would be amazing. But I'm not arrogant enough in here to say that we couldn't move back down. So let's please look at this. $2 is where I'm looking at for a move back down on ADA if we do start seeing some bear pressure into the market. That simply puts us at structure low. But here is the best part, guys, of why you guys need to trade this strategy is I have 3 other buy limits. Obviously, this is not where they are, but I have 3 other buy limits set down here that if and when we start pumping back down, we're probably going to see this hit the bottom of the trend exhaustion. Money flow is going to move down and we are going to springboard back up at demand levels and we're going to ride this thing back up. And we're actually going to get more money into the market because we have more buy limits hit. Guys, this is going to click for some of you guys like a light bulb. Like if this moves up, we're all going to make money. If this moves down, we get more money into the market and we make even more money when it goes up. Like this strategy is insane and it's so fun to trade. Okay, dollar cost average entries. This hasn't sent off an alert yet. Basically, if you guys are watching this, you throw in money, $1,000 every time if you want, hold it for 5 to 10 years. I'm not a financial advisor, so not a financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I have to make that very clear, excuse me. But I want you guys to be watching that. Watch this over here as well. Exit points. We are seeing, because of this pump in the market here, we could be looking for a move back down. It happened over here, but let's keep things transparent. This has shown us that we've seen red bars come out here trying to predict moves back down while the prices kept heading up. The question is, what do you do with that? It's not that this is a bad metric by any means, guys, because here's the thing. Anybody can go back and be their critic of everybody online and say, oh, look, it didn't call it here. But the thing is at the live moment of when this happened, could the price have gone down? Absolutely, it could have gone down. So what we need to be watching here is when we start seeing price movements up here, this is not saying that you have to exit all of it. Just look to take some percentages out. That's why you guys see me calling scale out positions over here and why we're moving stop losses. Like all of this together, guys, is just this perfect harmonious pattern of like, we have the metrics in here that are doing so well. Wells and institutions are trading with this. I know that because I'm coaching them like on a weekly basis. So we've got a ton of money over here. Our indicators are literally what I believe are some of the best in the market here to call tops and the bottoms. And our risk management is really good and it's very conservative and we're not risky. And that is why I believe we have not lost a trade yet. And we are literally in here, guys. Honestly, we are 52 for 52 wins on this channel and we haven't lost a trade yet. So wrapping this video, guys, up, get your membership over here. It's $49. Come over here, look at profits, have fun. I showed that to you guys. And then make sure you guys, once you subscribe over here, just set up your 4 buy limits right now on Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, and VeChain are my top picks. If you guys want to know, VeChain, Cardano, Doge, and Ethereum are my top picks for crypto right now. I am personally in with my live money, as you guys can see over here. I'm currently in Ethereum and I'm in ADA. I have my exact same buy limit set up that I show you guys over here on the live trades. Set those up. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators over here so when I call exits, you guys can actually watch this and see when the market drops and it pops. Bundle pack is the best. Get that. The trend exhaustion, the price versus money flow, definitely those two. And just follow me over here on Telegram. Again, real quick, I'm in this right here. To click this once you have your membership, it will open up the live hot link and it will actually literally add you guys into the subscription over here. People are doing crazy, guys. I am so jacked for this month. I am so excited for October. I personally love fall myself. I love the holidays. I think we're going to end this year with some really good profits. We're going to try to go for 60 for 60 wins this month in October, and I think we can do it. I'm sure we'll lose some trades in the future. I don't want to be like that person that says that, but I do believe we're going to do well this month. And with our risk management, our indicators, and our metrics, we have some of the best setups here, and I think we're going to do really well. So God bless you guys so much. We are currently up at the moment on this long trade, up 1.51%, and I'll keep you guys updated. Everything you need is in the description or the first comment of this video that I pinned, as well as at the website. I'll see you guys later. Get your trade set up. Come trade with us, guys. Let's make some profit. See you guys.